Good morning, students. Here, Neelamam from SK Public School. Students, today I am going to teach chapter number 13, that is symmetry. Okay. Today you are going to learn about symmetry. Okay, what is symmetry? Our topic for today is symmetry. Here, student, linear symmetry. When will be there linear symmetry? A figure is said to be symmetrical about a line L if it is identical on either side of L. Suppose this is a line L. This is a line L. Okay? And if I draw a line here, this dotted line, which will divide this line into two identical parts, two same parts. If you take one of the page of your notebook, okay, so when you will fold it equally so that the corners meet each other. So the corner can meet each other here. In this way, you can fold and you will find a crease. You will fold it and you will find a crease. Yes, I think you are finding this crease. Okay. So this crease, we can say this is the line of symmetry which is dividing this page into two equal parts. Two equal parts. So a line of symmetry is the line which divides the figure into two equal parts. If I take here a smiley, if I take a smiley here, if take this smiley and if I will draw a line which will divide this smiley into two equal parts. You can see here this line is dividing here, dividing this smiley into two equal parts. You can draw it with free hand. You can see here also an eye here, and half part of the smile also, means this line of symmetry, this dotted line is the line of symmetry which is dividing this smiley into two equal parts. Okay. Suppose I take this circle, and then I will draw this type of line. This is horizontal. This line, dotted line, it is horizontal line of symmetry. Okay. When you will draw the line of symmetry in this way, this will be called horizontal line of symmetry, and in this way this circle is divided into two identical parts, two same parts. If you will draw the line of symmetry in this way, this will be called vertical line of symmetry, and this vertical line of symmetry is dividing this circle into two equal parts. This part is equal to this part. And if you are drawing the horizontal line of symmetry in this way, then this semicircle is equal to the upper here, semicircle. If you take this butterfly, if you want to draw this line of symmetry here, naturally this will divide this butterfly into two equal parts. This figure is being divided into two equal parts due to this vertical line of symmetry. You can find many objects around your surrounding. Suppose this is phone pad here. This is also symmetric when you will draw a line. This is vertical line of symmetry. When you will draw line in this way, this will be also, this line will also divide this circle here object. It is actually cylindrical, but this circle is on the top here and it is divided into two equal parts. This line is called the horizontal line of symmetry and this line is called the vertical line of symmetry. You can say here lid of the bottle also, and this already here line of symmetry. This is dividing this lid into two equal parts, and when you will draw line in this way, this is horizontal line of symmetry. This will divide this figure into two equal parts. And you can also see here a pair of scissors. Here when this pair of scissors, here you will draw one line of here symmetry. It will divide this scissors into two equal parts. Okay. So a pair of scissors you can say, and example of this concrete example of whiteboard also. This whiteboard is also, this is also when I will draw line in this way like that, and this whiteboard will be divided into two equal parts. Clear? And you can this take book also here. This book. Okay. This is rectangular here you can say here. Let's see, this is cuboid, but this top is rectangular. And when you will draw the line in this way, this is vertical line of symmetry. And yeah, when you will draw the line in this way, this will also divide this top into two equal parts. Okay. So a figure is said to be symmetrical about a line L. So this line is symmetrical about L, and it will divide this line L into two identical parts. Okay. And you can take example of button also. And there are also some geometrical shapes where you will be asked to draw the lines of symmetry. Students, you can also find many examples from your surroundings. The objects, symmetrical objects. The examples of symmetrical object, exercise 13.1. Symmetrical objects from your home or your school. So one of the example here, scissors, a pair of scissors. One of the example, a pair of scissors, and this whiteboard, tabletop, and bulb also, and you can see, and window or the gate of your house, also. There are many examples related to symmetrical objects from your surroundings. So question number 1, what will you write in that? You will write some of the symmetrical objects: pair of scissors, blackboard or whiteboard, tabletop, and electric bulb. And in second question, which line, for the given figure, which one is the mirror line, L1 or L2? Mirror lines mean when we put the mirror in between the object, and when we see the image of the other part in that inside the mirror. So here question is in this way. This figure is given to you. Okay, and question number 2, that is exercise 13.1. You will also draw with the help of pencil and scale this figure, and this is L1 and this is L2. So which line of symmetry will be there? This L1 is not dividing this figure into two identical parts. In the upper part it is triangle, in the lower part it is the portion below L1, that is a rectangle, you can say. And but this line L2 is dividing this figure into two identical parts. So L2 will be the line of symmetry. So L2 will be the here line of symmetry. In third part, identify the shapes given below. Check whether they are symmetric or not. Draw the line of symmetry as well. Students, in this first A is lock. A is here lock. So here I am having lock here also. If lock is there, then yes, this is the lock. So here line of symmetry can be drawn in this way. Okay, line of symmetry can be drawn in this way. Suppose already circle is here, I can convert this circle into the shape of the lock. Okay, into the shape of a lock. So can be line of symmetry can be drawn vertically. Can be drawn vertically. Okay, this is the shape of here. This is which object? Lock. So one line of symmetry can be possible here. Then glass. If glass is here like that, this is glass, and line of symmetry can be drawn here. If glass is here, so line of symmetry can be drawn. This is glass. In this way, you can draw and show the line of symmetry where it is possible. In C figure, not possible. In D figure, yes, it is telephone. You can draw vertical line of symmetry here. In D, that is D, shape is D, but part is E. You can draw which line? Horizontal line of symmetry in this way. If D is here, you can draw horizontal line of symmetry in this way. So which shapes here, which shapes are symmetrical? A, B, D, E and F also. In F it is a pentagon. In F figure it is a pentagon. A closed polygon made up of 5 line segments, that is called a pentagon. So one line of symmetry is possible here in this way. Okay. Then question number 4. Copy the following on a squared paper. A square paper is what you would have used in your arithmetic notebook in earlier classes. Then complete them such that the dotted line is the line of symmetry. So you will complete half part is already drawn and you will complete it other part. You can you take help of the mirror also. You can put that mirror on the line of symmetry and whatever part you can get inside the mirror, that will be drawn. Okay. So try to do this question on graph page and paste in your notebook. Then question number 5. In the figure, L is a line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetry. Here, half portion is given to you. The figure is in this way. This is just dotted line here. In this way. And line here L is dotted. This one is dotted. Okay. You have to complete it. This is arrow side here. So you draw first this much portion, how much it is, and put down here in this way, and this figure will be completed in this way. This is of NCERT book. In this way you will complete this figure. And question number 6, you will do it yourself. Okay, your homework for today is complete exercise homework. Do exercise 13.1. Okay. And very important, mask yourself, take proper care. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, students.